Hello, my name is Paul Gregory and I'd like to talk to you about the September Lab Developer Workshop. So, as most of you will know, we run our workshops on the last Thursday of the month, and last month we introduced again the product engineering team to a new audience to hopefully find out what Skillable is doing. And that's really what I want to bring to you in September. Behind the scenes, we've been working quite extensively on the template gallery. And we've made a number of changes to what's available through the template gallery. And we thought this was the great time to actually tell you about our vision, what we're doing, how we've changed the template gallery to start with today. You might have noticed some of the small UI changes, some of the changes that are coming in the coming weeks and months, but also how you as an organization can take advantage of the template gallery as well. We find this is very much an often underutilized feature by a lot of organizations. And when we talk to a lot of companies, they'd like to be able to do more faster. And the template gallery can be a big way to really supercharge their lab development. With some good curated templates that are specific to the organization, this can really get them building labs really, really fast. So please join me on Thursday, the 26th of September, and we'll have a look at the good old template gallery. What's changed, what will be changing in the future, and how you can really boost your productivity by using the template gallery. Thank you very much.